Hey everybody, Zach here. This is just going to be a quick update here on Cardano. Just an interesting piece of information. Just found a quick article. Just want to share it with you. Talk about Cardano. I'm more bullish than ever here on ADA as we head into the final 3 months of 2021. It's my second largest holding next to Ethereum. Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, has been talking recently about building up this educational aspect of Cardano. We're seeing a lot of different currencies go that direction. I like it. I think there are a lot of markets there and there's a lot of use case there. And Cardano has been one of the trailblazers, if you will, in that side of things. And we're going to take a look at an article from Grayscale, actually, which interestingly enough, they made Cardano its third largest holding behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. So a lot of people on the stock side who don't want to jump in head first to crypto, right? They just think it's a little bit too risky. They want to just dip their toes in. They'll invest in the Grayscale trust. And essentially what you're doing is you're investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, and a little bit of Chainlink, a little bit of Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin as well, but very small amounts. Bitcoin makes up the mass majority of it, then Ethereum, but then Cardano's got a nice chunk. And so that should tell you something. If you're invested in Cardano alone, that should give you a really good feeling because you know that Grayscale Trust also believes in the project, and they're making that 3 to 4% of their overall portfolio. So this is kind of what the chart looks like right now. We're at $2.28, consolidating nicely here. The entire market pretty flat right now, so the same could be said for Cardano, up about 1%, which I think that's perfectly fine. I think it's perfectly normal too after that big run up, that we saw in the crypto market. Now we're just kind of flatlining a little bit, settling down here as we get set to start the new week. Market cap is up to 73 million, or check that, 73 billion with a B. On Cardano, the fully diluted market cap is 102 billion with a B. The volume down a little bit, but to be expected after that massive run up for the entire crypto space. Now, let's take a look at this article real quick. Grayscale outlines Cardano's key pros and cons in a new report. So it says here, leading crypto asset manager Grayscale released a new report about Cardano as part of its series of educational cryptocurrency overviews, which they're calling and titling Building Blocks. I like that. In the report, the investment firm has outlined the main advantages of the third largest crypto, as well as some of the major risks associated with it. Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of Input Output, and of course the CEO of Cardano, is the driving force behind the blockchain, with his compelling vision being singled out as one of Cardano's key strengths. I will say this, Charles Hoskinson has to be one of the coolest dudes in crypto, and he's so active on his Twitter page. He's out in front of the investors, letting people know what he's doing. Love it. I just love listening to him talk. The Cardano treasury, which currently boasts a war chest of 1.5 billion, is also believed to be the project's fort. Cardano's strong community, wide accessibility, as well as decentralization became possible after the last year's Shelley upgrade, have also been mentioned by Grayscale as the top reasons why the blockchain is likely to succeed. So this is a little background on why Grayscale has put so much trust into Charles and the project. As reported by you today, ADA became the third biggest holding of Grayscale's digital large cap fund in early July, which is right around the time I was talking about Cardano quite a bit, saying it was going to become the third largest crypto, and it did. It bounced up from number 6 right into number 3 and has not relinquished that spot yet, and I don't think it's going to. I think Cardano has a stronghold on number 3 here for the remainder of 2021, and I think beyond. As we see them continue to develop on their blockchain, more and more developers are coming in. They've got the NFT project happening now. Wow, I can't wait to see what Cardano looks like a few years from now. So a firm also believes that Cardano blockchain may be overvalued due to its low fees. So with some of the rewards comes some possible risks. This is one of them. Cardano network fee revenue is still relatively low compared to other proof of stake blockchains like Ethereum 2. Unless the network can grow fees from new applications or increased usage, ADA's valuation may not be supported based on staking cash flow utility alone. This is the issue a lot of currencies have with the proof of stake model, but the hope is the network can grow, right? Because then fees can slowly be reduced as you put in things like Ethereum 2.0, you add layer 2 solutions like a Matic, Polygon, right? So those things will work themselves out. I don't think this is a long-term issue at all. Right. Again, it's a good problem to have. You're scaling, and you're gonna have to go through some growing pains. And I think Cardano will hit what Ethereum is going through now. But in terms of the long-term outlook on Cardano, love it. Absolutely love it. Super bullish. Let me know down below in the comments, are you bullish? Kind of what's your price prediction as well? I'd love to hear that from you down below in the comments as well. And Patreon link is down there. Crypto.com link, referral code Zach is down there. We can get $25 in Crow Coin if you use that. If you want to open one up today, it's one of my favorite exchanges to buy and sell crypto. And that's it. That's all I got for you. Take care, and I will see you all in the next one.